JaaackJack and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am sharing a hair tutorial that you guys have been requesting for quite some time now, and it is the big messy lazy bun. Ta-da! This bun right here. I've been wearing this a lot recently here on this channel, on my daily vlog channel, on my Instagram, and you guys have been asking for a tutorial, and even my friends from church, they want to know how to get this big messy bun, so I'm going to show you guys how to do it. It's been my go-to. It's super quick and easy, and you definitely get to embrace the messiness, so it doesn't have to be perfect, which is what I love about this hairstyle. I don't like doing hairstyles that need to be perfect. I love to embrace the messiness, so this is definitely one of those hairstyles. So if you are interested in finding out how to get this big messy lazy bun, then just keep on watching. But of course, before we jump into the video, if you are new to my channel, hi, my name is JaaackJack, or you can call me Jack, or whatever you like best. Make sure you hit that red subscribe button and the little bell so that way you are notified of future videos and you officially become part of the Little Flower family. So now without further ado, let's jump into the video. So the first thing I'm going to do is just brush out my hair, get rid of any knots and tangles. I've got a lot. So I'm just going to put my hair tie around my wrist right now. So what you want to do is just gather all of your hair. You can use a brush or just use your fingers. I just use my fingers. So I'm just going to gather all of my hair to the very, very top of my head, like right here at top. Like, I'm not going to do it back. We want this bun to be right at the very, very top of your head. So once I have my hair kind of held in a ponytail like this, I'm going to just kind of like loosen my hand a little bit so the hair around my head is like not so tight and pulling my skin back. So I'm going to take this hair tie and then start wrapping it as if I'm going to do a ponytail. So just wrap, and then on the third one, that's when I'm going to stop halfway like that. So we have the little ends of our hair sticking out, and we've got this little weird shaped bun right here. But there's a little hole right here. You want to put your thumbs in there and just kind of fan out the hair. So just like pulling the sides down like that. And obviously it's not going to stay right there. So I like to go from like the base of the ponytail and like shake and like tighten that, and then it kind of helps the shape a little bit. You can even go towards like the center of this bun, just fan it out some more, like so. And then I like to pull out some of the hairs like from around like the base of the ponytail, just so it's like it's not super tight and it's a little bit loose around here. But I'm just gonna keep pulling and adjusting, really grabbing the hair like right at the base of the hair tie and kind of wiggling it and pulling it down. Because if you keep pulling here, it's just going to undo the hair and your hair is going to like come out and be an actual ponytail. So go from the base and just wiggle and pull the hair down and pull it like forward towards like the front of your face when you're doing this. So a lot of adjusting and pulling with this hairstyle. And so I like to pull down some of the hairs to frame my face like I always do with like literally every hairstyle I do. And so you can actually leave it like this, but sometimes the hair like still kind of pops up like that. So you have this weird gap right here. So I like to take a couple bobby pins and take the hair and pull it to the roots of my hair and pin that down. So that way it's like nice and secure and it eliminates that little gap. So I'm gonna do the same over here. Just pin that down. And the hair in the back, like the little ends, I just let those hang out because it really doesn't bother me too much. But what I will do with these hairs that like are too short and won't reach the bun, I'll take all of this. Let me turn around so I can show you guys better. I'll take all this hair, pull it up, and then I kind of twist them all together, kind of like a French twist. And then that's when I'll take a bobby pin to secure it all in place. Like that. I know right now I'm really taking my time to break down this hairstyle for you guys, but when I do this, it's just so quick and effortless. You don't really have to put much thought into it. There's some pieces that are gonna look a little lumpy and bumpy, but I like that with these really big, messy buns. But the last thing I like to do is take a flat iron and just kind of gently flat iron these pieces down so they shape my face a little bit better. See how this one's just kind of like flipping out a little bit? And you can do whatever you want with this. You can just straighten them, you can curl them so you have like these cute little curly cues around your face. You can do whatever your heart desires. I have a few more pieces of hair in the back that could use some bobby pins. So yeah, I don't get too nitpicky when it comes to this hairstyle, so that is it for this look. This is my big lazy messy bun that I love so much. It's definitely been a go-to hairstyle for me lately. Ever since my hair has gotten a little bit longer, I've definitely been embracing this hairstyle because I just love it so much. If you have shorter hair, it may be a little bit trickier to achieve this type of bun. So that's why for years, whenever I did bun related tutorials, I always did like this kind of bun or this kind of bun, because that's all I could do with the length of my hair. But now that my hair has gotten a little bit longer, I can really embrace the actual lazy bun that I love so much. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, found it helpful. If you recreate this lazy bun, I would love to see your pictures on Instagram and Twitter, so be sure to tag me, and I will see you guys in the next video.